Hey guys, it's just me today. It's Onyx. Iris isn't here.
Banana potato chips.
What? Oh, dang it.
Banana potato chips. I like banana potato chips. Have you ever tasted flavored banana potato chips?
No, but I've tasted banana potato chips, made out of bananas. Like dried up bananas.
Anyways, yes, today it's just me, no Onyx, just Iris. And today we're playing Unseen Liminality.
What do you mean? I'm here too.
Unseen Liminality. That's a nice name. It's a backrooms game. Do you like backrooms games? Yes, you do.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Shut up.
You shut up. Where did you go?
Up. Blind. So we checked out most of this. We didn't check out anything actually. We just got lost and gone in circles multiple times.
Yeah.
I respawned a few times over and over again, and I found like a really cool area, but I didn't explore it because I had to meet up with you. So I think we should probably find that area.
Yeah.
Hey, I think we found an area.
Why is there small chair, medium chair, and big chair?
This is for baby.
No, this is for baby bear. This is for mama bear. This is for dada bear. Remember?
Okay, get out. Get away from me.
No. Ooh, pools.
Okay, why is it like making sludge noises though?
I don't like that. I don't like. Why are we so slow? Usually, pool rooms! Yay!
Stop walking for a second. Okay, I heard walking noises. I'm wondering if that was you or something else.
There's a place where we're supposed to take a picture.
Yeah, so I'm walking down there. Okay, this is really cool. Okay, I have a great idea to get more room.
What?
How about we split up? So we'll take over more, we'll be able to find more cool areas if we split up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go this way, you go that way.
Okay, I'll go this way, you go that way. Can you come back?
What?
You don't understand what I'm seeing. I saw something. Okay, now let's split up. You go that way out towards the monster, and I'll go the way towards the light. The happiness.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness.
I hate that it's sludgy.
Well,
I found stairs.
Well, I didn't find stairs. Oh, that's not really that interesting. It's literally just a chair, but okay. Where are you?
I do not know.
Oh, I found stairs.
I wonder if they're...
I wonder. Ooh, what is that? Is that a turtle?
I found a shark. I don't know where I am, and I'm just like...
I can't walk that fast, and I'm in the water, and it's kind of not nice.
Trying to find the stairs again.
I don't like the sounds of them.
Me neither.
What are these? Oh my great heavens. What is that? Yep, it's one. That is beautiful. Wow. Whoever owns this pool has to be rich. Who owns the back rooms?
I don't know.
I found a duck.
Why is a chair so important? Why does it need us to take a picture of a chair? Oh, it's so bright.
Oh, it's so dark.
Oh, there's a duck.
Yeah, I found a duck earlier.
Right here?
No, it was like all the way into a dark. It was like really scary.
I found stairs going up.
Oh. I found a caution sign you can take pictures of.
Okay. Let me go this way. My eyes.
Some places are dark, some places are bright. I don't know why.
I'll go this way.
I specifically don't like this area over here that's severely dark.
Oh, my eyes. I'll go this way. Ooh, a dice. Castle dice.
Should we go this way? I go this way. Oh. I was trying to make a reference.
Oh, I'm back at the start of where we were.
I keep finding this beautiful thing that I don't understand. Who has this in their pool? You don't need to know.
Okay.
You're too young. You're too young to understand.
What do you mean? I'm older than you.
Oh, is he a person? Yo, get away! Get away! I don't know why, but they keep running and walking. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. I just found a really cool area. Please, please, please don't kill me. Okay, thank you. Yo. Hi. Come back.
I found the stairs. I don't know.
That's just a picture. Yes, that's what
Yeah.
Up and down. Have you gone over here?
Where?
This way. Behind you.
I don't think so. I don't think there's anything over here.
Where is it? Why did they do that? That's so nice. Yo, I'm hearing with angelic music.
That's beautiful.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is.
It's bad.
You're bad. Let me look at my photos. So we have that.
I need to show you something I saw.
And that.
Really cool.
Where?
If you follow me, I'll show you.
Okay. Oh, there's a dolphin. Let me take a picture of that.
Oh my goodness, my back hurts.
Is it the statue that you saw?
Yeah, look at it. It's so cool.
Oh, it's so pretty. I want to take a picture of it. Is this a bar of soap?
Pick it up.
I can't.
No, that's not a bar of soap, it's a light. Do you know what lights are?
No.
Okay, you again.
Ooh, this is pretty.
Okay, this area, I think we explored most of it. Let's go downstairs. There's probably more down.
Yo, what?
I don't know what just happened, but I kind of
Explosion?
trying to find something new, you know? Oh, hey, I found a dice. Oh, that's the beginning. Okay. What happens if I roll it?
Hey guys. We're gonna end the video here because my phone does not have any more storage left.
My phone has storage. You're just not good at keeping up enough storage.
I deleted most of my storage too, that's the thing.
Oh.
Okay. Well, see you in the next video. Bye!